Hey guys, here's how to change some settings on your AirPods Pro. First, let's go to Settings on the iOS device, then click on Bluetooth, and you'll see here that AirPods Pro says not connected. Easy fix, let's flip open the top here and wait a moment. Now that it says connected, we'll hit the information icon. In here, we can change the name of the device. We can choose which noise control or transparency option we want. And also we can set what happens when you press and hold the function button. Now the function button is this one right here that you utilize while it's in your ear. You squeeze this or long press it for different options. One tap on it will pause the media that you're listening to. 2 taps will skip to the next song, and 3 will go to the previous song. But right off the box, when you hold on to it, it's going to activate the noise control option, whether it's transparency or noise cancellation. But what if you want to activate Siri? You can go in here and control it. So now on our left AirPod, it'll automatically activate Siri when we long press, but on the right AirPod, it'll activate noise control options. Makes it a little bit more custom, a little bit more to our liking. The ear tip fit test is also found in here. This will help you with finding what's going to be the absolute best size tip for you. The automatic ear detection is a good option to look at as well to see what works best for you. Plenty of things in there to mess around with to make sure that the AirPods are right for you. Thanks for watching.